Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're on video 29, so we're days away from finishing. So today guys, I wanted to tell you how to fall in love with your natural hair because some of the comments I've gotten online, there are people that are not so happy with their natural hair. Some people go as far as to say they don't like their natural hair at all. And those comments, I don't like when people feel that way because guys, your natural hair is your hair. It grows out of your head. It doesn't get more for you than that. So the whole thing is you have to learn to actually care for your hair and not pay attention to what somebody else's hair is doing or how their hair is growing or what they can do with it, so on so on. So guys, you need to learn to love your natural hair, and I'm going to tell you guys things that I do basically to learn to care and love my hair. The first thing you guys you need to do is take care of your natural hair. It's as simple as that. If you don't take care of your hair is always gonna look bad. I guarantee you guys, look at anybody's hair type. It doesn't matter if they have straight hair, curly hair, kinky hair. It doesn't matter. If they're not taking care of it, it looks bad. It looks dry. It doesn't style well. It doesn't do anything but look bad. It's greasy, you name it. So if you don't take care of your hair, yes, it's always going to look bad because why? It's not healthy. It's not being kept. So yes, if you don't take care of your hair, guys, it's going to just look awful. So take the time to actually take care of your hair so it can look nice. I had no information in the beginning. My hair would grow on its own, but it would look bad. It wasn't well kept. So I realized that as long as I learn to take care of my hair, it will look right. And that's why guys, I tell you to figure out what your hair needs, to do things like learn about the hair density, porosity, treatments you may need, and of course guys, always eat the food that you need because without nutrition your hair won't grow. That's why I even go as far as to take certain vitamins because I know that I need certain vitamins and supplements to help my natural hair along. So that's the first thing guys you need to do. So the next best thing you guys can do is to stop comparing your hair to somebody else's hair. There are so many YouTubers online guys, there are so many people you see pictures of, even maybe people you know, you see their natural hair, it looks nothing like yours because it's not your hair guys. Even me and my sister hair are so different. This is a blood relative guys, so you have to see that your hair, you can't compare it to anybody else's. You have to take care of your hair, see what it's doing, what it needs, and at the end of the day guys, you have to stop focusing on other people's hair and take care of your hair needs. What does it need? What treatment does it need? What food do you need? Because if you're like iron deficient, of course it's gonna have a huge impact on your hair. If you're not drinking enough water, when your body's dehydrated, that's one of the first things it stops doing is growing your hair. So you have to think of things like that and make sure that you're comparing your hair to your hair, not somebody else's hair. The next thing guys to do is to have fun with your natural hair. You guys need to realize that it's just hair. It will grow, it will grow. So just have fun with it, style it differently, take your time doing your hair, do styles that you love, try different colors. You guys see I use the yarn all the time in my hair. I have different colors going on. Do things that are fun with your natural hair. Try different hairstyles, use protective styles, wear turbans. Guys, have fun with your hair and not take it so seriously because at the end of the day guys, your natural hair is not your life. You have a life. You just like doing your hair as well. That's part of your life, part of your styling routine. Don't take it so seriously that your curls have to look perfect, that this twist out have to come perfect. I need this big fro going on. It is just hair guys, so treat it that way and just relax and have fun with your natural hair. And finally guys, you have to realize that if you are waiting for your hair to grow, you're going to be waiting for a long time because it's like watching paint dry guys. You can't sit there and watch your natural hair grow. If you are just waiting every day, checking your length, it's going to seem like your hair is never growing because guess what? Most people's hair grow about half an inch, maybe 1 inch every month. So that's not a lot. You have to realize that you need to just take care of your hair and leave it alone and let it grow. If you guys looked at my hair from the very beginning, how short it was, constantly, always short, dry, never grew guys. But I wasn't really focused on growing super long hair. I wanted to get the health of my hair back, so that's what I was focused on. And now my hair looks a lot better. It's growing better. The health is definitely on point now. That's why I told you guys, now that I know what I'm doing, I'm going to work on growing my hair longer. So now I can see, hey, every few months I'm going to see, did it grow anymore, to see that if what I'm doing, is it working guys. So guys, just give your natural hair time to get healthy, grow, and flourish. And I say all these things guys because I must say, when I was growing up, like a lot of people around me, they had this thing where if you had kinky curly hair, they looked at it as bad hair. It wasn't good hair as they say, and they would always say these really little mean comments about it. At some point it did get to me because I wanted wanted the perm when I was a little bit older, and I hated getting that perm, but I got it because it was easier to take care of and people liked it when my hair looked that way. So that's one of the things you have to realize, that if you care about what people think about the way you look, you'll always try to fit into this society look. Always, hey, my hair has to look this way for it to be the good natural hair, or the natural hair people care about. Guys, it's your hair. Do what you want with it. Just be healthy and grow that natural hair. So if you guys have any tips that you want to give, anything that you want to say, guys, to help people love their natural hair and learn to grow healthy, strong hair, please comment down below and let us know. So thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, guys, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, because I will have another video tomorrow. We're almost done, but the videos are still coming. So make sure you subscribe, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, and go over and watch my last video, guys.